In this video, I will show you how you can open apps in split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on advanced features. From here, just tap on multi-window, then enable the toggle for swipe for split screen. And after you enable this option, then you will be able to open any app on your Samsung phone in split screen view by just swiping up from the bottom of the screen using two fingers. Just like that. Now just select any other app which you want to open in split screen view, and from here, you will be able to use two apps in split screen. Now if you drag up and down from the three dots over here, you will be able to increase or decrease the size of the window from here, and if you tap on the three dots, then you will be able to switch between the places of the apps. And if you want to create a shortcut of these two apps on the home screen, then just tap on the three dots over here and tap on the star icon. Now just select home screen, and after you do that, you will find the app combination on the home screen. Now if you tap on the bar over here, you can open the app in full screen mode. You can also open the selected app in a pop-up window, or you can open the app library and you can select any other app which you want to open in split screen view. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.